If you're looking for Japanese quality and attention to detail in a sports sedan every bit the equal of the BMW 5 Series and Audi A6, the 2018 Infiniti Q70 has the moves and muscle to fill the position. As the company flagship sedan, the Q70 must excel in every area from luxury and safety to performance and styling. More curvaceous than the rigid Cadillac CT6 and more expressive than a Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the Q70 offers buyers a car with multiple personalities, including a long wheelbase version, a V6 or V8 engine option and the choice between rear-wheel or all-wheel drive. There's even a powerful yet efficient hybrid model. Inside, the Q70 wraps its occupants in traditional Infiniti luxury amenities, including a long list of standard items that cost extra in many of the Q70's competitors. A backup camera, intelligent keyless entry and start, and heated front seats can be found in even the most basic model, with several attractive option packages further helping flesh out the Q70's features. In fact, the only gripe we can find with the Q70 is the lackluster choice of exterior colors. After all, a body this seductive deserves at least one bright red option or other vivid hue. What's new for 2018? For 2018, the Q70 adopts Infiniti's global branding by adding the Looks name to all its models. Some package renaming and feature shuffling round out the changes,